Morning, guys. Out here, Rancho Seco. See if there's any trout or bass. It's pretty windy today, but we'll see, man. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, first cast. Alright, guys, I wasn't recording, but I gave up on trout, so couldn't do some bass fishing. I thought I was recording the whole time. I wasn't, but first bass, probably about 13, 14 inches, about a pounder. Catch and release, guys, on the wacky rig. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for biting, buddy. I'll tell your mom. There we go. And we are on. Fish on. Little guy. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Giant, guys. Compared to the one earlier. Oh my god, this is a it's all good. It's all good. Ow. Woo! Future 10-pounder right here. It's got a beautiful lateral line though. Almost like a spotted bass. It's crazy. There we go. Fish on. Tiny little guy. Oh, another one. Sorry, guys. I don't mean to be pulling it out of the water like that, but it's super small. Look at that. Holy crap, man. Look at them future 10-pounders right here. Well, that's dry trout fishing for you, you know. They don't discriminate whatever size. Oh, there's a decent one, though. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Wow. That was a decent bass. That's like a 2-pounder right there that jumped out. Oh, boy. And that guy just flipped. You good, man? Oh, I didn't even realize I was recording the whole time. Alright, let's see if we can get some fish. There's gotta be some fish out there. There we go. Oh my god! Missed him. What the heck? Nest there somewhere. It's too deep. I can't see it. Yep. There we go. Good job. I don't know how big he is, but not today, buddy. Oh, he's decent. He's decent. He's alright. That's a good fish. Actually, like he's probably like a pound and a half. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. That is a nice pounder. A pound and a half. Alright. There we go. Man, your eyes are super red too. Look at that. Super red eyes. Look at that. Alright. There we go. Finally, baby. I don't know if that's a spawning. I'm sure that's a spawning bass, but yeah, but probably another 14-inch. Catch and release, guys. Yeah, here, go do your thing. Thank you for biting. Little guy. Yeah. Oh, all right. Oh. Tiny little guy. That was awesome. Oh, there we go. Another one. Oh, no. No. Ah, it took my worm. Oh, there we go. He's a decent guy. Not a big boy, but decent. Oh. Actually not a bad one. Biggest one yet. Biggest one all day. Biggest one all day, baby. Oh. 2-pounder? Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely biggest one of the day. I'm on the corner too. Yeah. Wow. Two-pounder. Probably a 16, 17-inch bass. Largy. Catch and release, guys. Whew. All right. Oh, there we go. Oh, no. No way. No way. What the heck? How did I miss that? He had it for hell long. That's hell gas over there. Oh, that was a fish. Fish on, guys. Good thing I didn't leave. Oh, that's a good one. That's all right size. He's okay. He's okay. Keep the rod down. Keep him from jumping. Bring him in. Oh, he's not bad. Oh. Dang. All right. Okay. Almost a keeper. 11. There we go. Little guy. Probably 11 inches. Catch and release, guys. Get out of here. Thank you for biting. Oh, that's a little bit. That was a trout. Catch and release. Oh, those fish are there. I don't know if those are trout or those are bass, but I think those are trout, dude. Somehow the wind blows now. Okay. Oh. On the ultralight. Oh my god. That's actually not a bad bass. It's like a pound and a half. Yeah. Okay. It's a good fish too. Probably about a pound and a half. Oh, there we go, fish on. Tiny little bass. All good. Bunch of fish actually. Oh, ito one dyan. Oh, ta. Jeez, corn. Recording. Oh my god, I wasn't recording. Got her though. Got the big one that was there. Just like got her to play. All right. I think she was gonna bite. Oh, look at that, guys. Probably 4 pounds, I would say, give or take. Right on the skin of the mouth. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah.
You gotta go on the other side of the sign, sir.
All right.
Okay, see all the no fishing?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is it okay if I put it back there, where I got it from?
Put it wherever you want, my friend.
All right. Okay. She is picture worthy. There we go.
Here, fishing.
Oh, I know. All right, guys. So today was actually not that bad. You know, it was a cloudy day. Caught a bunch of bass. Caught that kicker right at the end. I know I got a little bit in trouble for, you know, being on the dock. I understand, but I was just trying to see where the nest was at so I could pitch the drop shot to it. As soon as I did it, she picked it up. And yeah, I'd say she was probably like pushing like 3.5 pounds, almost 4. But you know, pictures do no justice, man, unless you've seen the fish. But yep, no trout. You know, I did try to do some trout fishing, but I don't know. Yeah, man, they were not biting. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.